We are in Pacific City, Oregon, and we wanted to show you the madness of dory boats. We call it madness because these flat-bottomed dory boats come racing up onto the beach, and the beach is usually crowded with tourists, kids, dogs. The dory boat captains blow their air horns, warning you that they're about to beach their boats, but not everyone's paying attention. The beach is constantly busy with boat traffic. The dory boats are being launched into the surf, the dory boats are arriving, the dory boats are being trailered across the soft, sandy beach to go home for the day, and that's another part of the madness. The beach sand is so soft that the cars and trucks are constantly getting stuck. Anyone can drive onto the beach, and there isn't a fee. On busy Saturdays and Sundays, a smart tow truck driver hangs out there because he knows tourists are going to get their cars stuck. We have really nice Goodyear tires on the FJ, and we still didn't want to drive on this beach. Look at this truck. He's really stuck. This was another part of the dory boat madness that we couldn't figure out. Why are all the trucks and trailers parallel to the beach, but then the dory boats are perpendicular to the beach? We couldn't figure out why none of them had the trucks and the trailers perpendicular and just put the trailer right into the surf and pull the boat out. But they all did it. Every single dory boat truck driver had their truck like this parallel to the beach, and then the boat, they kind of pulled it with a rope, and I mean, it was just madness. It was total madness. Chris and I were watching with our mouths open. We've just never seen anything like this. To us, it just seems like this part right here makes much more sense if the truck and the trailer were perpendicular. Like, we just couldn't figure it out. We were laughing, and so many people are on the beach watching this. It's total madness. There is an area the dory boat trucks and trailers have to drive through to leave the beach, and it's unusually soft. Some trucks and trailers make it, but most of them do not. The good thing is most people get pulled out by the truck ahead of them. Then they hang out and wait for the next truck behind them, since that truck is most likely going to get stuck. Can hold all that. This guy here had a pretty good idea. He decided to back down the beach quite a ways, but the problem was there were just so many people wandering around the beach, and he had to start blaring his horn to try to get everybody's attention.